Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Blockchain network BITGERT and its local BRISE token have partaken in a breakout year in 2022. Throughout recent days, the BRISE token has flooded to require its year-to-date gains to more than 150%, starting around August 23, 2022. The BITGERT network has taken huge steps as of late, set apart by the arrival of its blockchain mainnet, which has brought brilliant agreements and decentralized application (DApp) abilities to the convention. BITGERT has since seen various DApp dispatches, going from decentralized finance (DeFi) conventions to non-fungible token (NFT) commercial centers. In the previous month, the BRISE token has almost multiplied its cost, helped by expected postings of the token on major crypto trades Coinbase and Binance. BITGERT's true Twitter account uncovered that it had applied for postings on Coinbase and Binance. The applications will be checked on by the individual trades, who may decide to acknowledge or dismiss the posting application. In this video, we investigate BITGERT and its local token BRISE. Peruse on for the most recent BITGERT cost expectation for 2022 and past to help you in your exploration. Starting points. What is BITGERT? BITGERT is a digital currency network that professes to be a zero-cost gas charge blockchain. The BITGERT environment right now has a decentralized money (DeFi) convention called NIT Finance, a non-fungible token (NFT) commercial center called Midas NFT Marketplace, and a decentralized trade (DEX) called Spunks Labs, among others. BITGERT at first sent off on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC) and utilized the Binance coin (BNB) to pay out its prizes. As per BITGERT's guide, the venture previously sent off in July 2021 with a site delivery and posting of its local BRISE token on Binance's DEX, PancakeSwap. The undertaking was at first known as bitrise prior to rebranding to BITGERT in December 2021. In February 2022, BITGERT sent off its local BRISE chain, upheld by the BRC20 Savvy contract, in what was the greatest advancement on the blockchain project up until this point. The send-off of its local blockchain network has empowered engineers to fabricate dApps on the BITGERT organization. As per BITGERT, the BRISE chain depends on an arrangement of verification of authority (POA) to help short block times and low charges. The BRISE chain has brilliant agreement usefulness and is viable with the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM). Designers can give new tokens, run full hubs to get sufficiently close to live updates on exchanges, blocks and agreement exercises, and foster wallets and instruments for dApps on the BRISE chain. The send-off of the organization's hatching program, BITGERT Startup Studio, plays had a major impact in the various tasks that have arisen on the BRISE chain. BITGERT Startup Studio assists engineers and business visionaries with giving digital currencies for their tasks, permitting them to raise reserves by means of private or public symbolic deals. The program additionally gives showcasing and specialized help to send off projects on the BRISE chain. Various tasks facilitated on the BRISE chain are still in their beginning stage. BITRISE, a recurring, automated revenue DeFi stage, expects its item discharge in the second from last quarter of 2022. Open Vault, a NFT marking stage, is projected to send off later in the year. As indicated by BITGERT, the main 5 tasks on its organization were decentralized trade Sphinx Labs, NFT convention Omniaverse, marking stage Eco-Finance, Metaverse 4D Twin Maps and undertaking advancement convention BRISPAD. BITGERT cost expectation for 2022 and then some. Momentary BITGERT coin cost forecast demonstrated that the symbolic's worth could fall more than 9% to reach $0.000000718 by August 28, 2022. 1-month BRISE cost forecast saw the symbolic rising further to $0.000001226, starting around August 23, 2022. For the more extended term, Calculation-based site BRISE crypto cost expectation anticipated that the token should exchange at a typical cost of $0.000000736 toward the finish of 2022. BITGERT cost expectation for 2025 anticipated that the token should ascend to a typical cost of $0.000001089 toward the finish of 2025. Was bullish about BRISE's cost execution as long as possible. As indicated by its BITGERT cost expectation for 2030, anticipated that the token should exchange at a Novera tokenomics. What is BRISE coin? BRISE is the local badge of the BITGERT organization. It at first sent off as a BEP20 token on the Binance organization. After the send-off of the BRISE chain, the coin was switched over completely to its local BRISE chain token. Clients marking their BRISE will get marking prizes and bust, as per BITGERT site. The BRISE coin is likewise utilized as a distributed installment strategy inside the BRISE app wallet, which has zero exchange charges. It permits both vendor and purchaser to execute crypto charges straightforwardly with one another without the need of an outsider. Furthermore, the stage has added a buyback idea to digital currency, making the BRISE coin token more alluring to hold. The buyback strategy gives financial backers more certainty to buy and clutch the coin, which successively means to develop its interest and increment its cost. Every exchange gathers 5% in buyback charge, which is put away inside the agreement. In the event that a deal happens, some portion of the buyback charge paid is utilized to buy tokens from the liquidity pool, which are promptly scorched following the purchase. BRISE's most extreme stockpile is covered at 1 quadrillion tokens, as per CoinMarketCap. Starting around August 23, 2022, the flowing stockpile of BRISE tokens remains at north of 427 trillion. As per BNB chain-based examination stage BSC scan, over 527.9 trillion BRISE tokens, addressing over 57% of complete symbolic stock, are at present in an invalid location, which is commonly utilized by blockchain organizations to store consumed tokens. Information likewise showed the second most elevated grouping of BRISE tokens, around 8.2% of all out supply, was held in a brilliant agreement. The biggest convergence of BRISE tokens in a non-savvy contract address held 2.2% of the all-out BRISE supply, starting around August 23, 2022. As per CoinCarp, the main 20 BRISE holders held around 88% of the symbolic all-out supply and the complete number of BRISE holding addresses was 155,625, a slight increment of around 1.7% from a month prior. Starting around August 23, 2022, BRISE was exchanging at about $0.000000780 with a market capitalization of more than $300